How to add a photo in your Google form. Now in order to add a photo in your Google form, just simply open the form where you would like to add the photo. Now after coming to your form, which might look similar to this, now just simply pick the question where you would like to attach the photo. For example, I have three questions right here. First one is untitled question, second one is question, and third one is Q3. Now whichever question that you tap, this icon of image will appear right here. Just simply pick the question where you would like to attach the photo, then tap to this icon. And after tapping into this icon, you can use a whole bunch of options to insert the image. I will be using this browse feature to upload images from my gallery. Then after that, you can pick any of the image from your gallery and it will be uploaded in this section. Like this, I have got this image in my gallery and I have selected it from there. And now as you can see here, the image is added in your Google form. This is how you can also repeat the process. I hope this was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.